Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So this is look number 4 in Diwali series, guys. I hope you all are enjoying my Diwali series. So I've created a very easy, simply easy peasy makeup look that you can create in less than 10 minutes. So I hope you all like it. So if you like what you see, then please keep watching. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, first thing first, I've applied lip balm on my lips, which is from Biotic. I'll put all the information in the description box below for you guys. So now for my face, for my base, I want a very dewy finish as usual because that gives you the most natural finish. So for that, I'm going to be using the MAC Strobe Cream in Pink Light variant. So I'm going to take generous amount of this strobe cream and I'll apply all over my face. So guys, do you see the difference in my face? It gives a beautiful natural glow, which I absolutely love because I don't like a flat matte finish, as I always say in all my tutorials. So I like a very beautiful, this is like a glow from within sort of look, which I absolutely love. And for foundation, I'll be using my most favorite Bobbi Brown foundation. I'm in the shade Golden Beige for your reference. Guys, this is beautiful medium coverage foundation and this again has a very dewy finish. Which I absolutely love. So I'm going to be taking one pump of this foundation and I'll put all over my face. This again is a beautiful match for my skin, guys. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Aged Wine Concealer in the shade Medium. So this is a medium to full coverage concealer, guys. You don't need a lot of product again. Like as I said before in my video, you just have to twist the product to get the product out from the sponge and you can directly apply it. So I'm going to be putting this concealer under the eyes, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin and my forehead. And I'm going to blend everything with the sponge. To set the base, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light. So before setting my under eyes, I'm going to make sure that my concealer is not creased, because if your concealer is creased, if there is a line formed, then if you set it with the powder, that again will set your crease forever. So it's always a good idea to blend any creases with the concealer and then apply loose powder immediately. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the powder in the beauty blender itself and I'll just put it under the eyes. I'm not going to bake or do anything because I don't want to do that because my skin will look very dry. So I'm just putting the powder under the eyes and on the lid as well. Bridge of the nose, around the nose, because we tend to crease over there. Smile lines. And that's it. I'm not going to be setting my whole face with the powder because it will look very dry and stretchy. I don't want to do that. I want our finish to be very natural and dewy. For eyebrows, guys, I'm going to use the K-Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade Hazelnut. As usual, first I'm combing my eyebrow with a spoolie. As usual. And then filling in the gaps that I have. I'm also going to comb my eyebrows as I go because that will disperse the product evenly. So I'm doing that. And I'm not going to take a lot of product in the inner portion of the brows as usual because that will make the eyebrows look very artificial. So today also I'm not going to be contouring my face because I've been loving bronzing up my face. So for that I'm going to be using my most favorite Physician Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Light Bronzer. Guys, I'll list all the information of the I'll put all the information of the products in the description box below for you guys. So I'm using a large brush like this. It's again my favorite PAC 264 brush. So I'll take it in the brush like this, dab the extra, and then just bronze up the skin. I'm also going to be bronzing my forehead. Guys, for eyeshadow, I'm not going to be doing anything fancy. Today, I'm going to keep the look very, very, very simple. For that, I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. And I'll take it in a blending brush. And I'll put a dash of color all over my lid. Like so. So it adds a little bit of definition to your eyes and it looks gorgeous, guys. There's something going on in your eyes rather than being plain. So I really, really like it. Put it all over your lid as well. So I'm taking this blush from Color Bar. This is the Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Everything Rosy. So this is a nice fuchsia magenta pink color blush. So I'm going to take it in a shader brush like so, and I'm just going to I'm just going to pack the pigment as close to the lash line as possible, just in the center of the eyelid, guys. I'm not going to be dragging it out or in. No, just in the center of the eyelid. That's it. And I'm just going to be smudging it with my finger. This just creates an illusion of that you have a little bit of pigmentation going on. It has a beautiful pinkish raw color to it, so it looks very, very beautiful. I don't know if the camera is picking up, but it looks very, very pretty in person. So I'm just concentrating again. I'm just concentrating in the center portion of the eyelid, guys. Just packing the color in the center portion of the eyelids as close to the lash line as possible, and then smudging it with my finger. So it adds a very beautiful depth to your eyes. So I really, really like this step. Don't skip it. So even for your no makeup looks also, you can definitely do this, guys. But with your eyebrow pencil, you can do it. For kajal today, I'm not going to be using black or brown. I'm just going to take the same eyebrow pencil that I used on my eyebrow, and I'll just put it below the waterline and smudge it with my finger. So you don't need a lot of product to create any looks, guys. Whatever you have, you can adjust with it. So I'm not going to be putting it inside the waterline, as I said before, just below the waterline, only in the outer portion of my eyes, and just with the finger smudging it. I'm not going to be dragging it to the inner part, just the outer portion, as you can see. Before applying mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes. So for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. This is becoming my favorite, guys. So I really, really like it. It gives a nice length to your lashes and it doesn't clump your lashes as well. So it looks very, very fluttery. Guys, if you can get your hands on this Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara, please do get it, because can you see how much of difference it has made to my lashes? It looks like fake lashes, guys. I've just applied one coat. You can even go ahead and apply 2 coats, but I thought this is just enough for me, because just one coat of this mascara just has given me so much of volume and also length. So I love it. I love it. And for blush, guys, I'm going to be using the blush from Color Bar. I'm going to take that in my beauty blender itself, and I'm going to put it on the apples of my cheeks. Smile. and put it in the apples of the cheeks. So I'm also going to be doing it in the nose as well. On the cheeks also. So guys, today for this look I'm not going to be using any highlighter, because let's be real guys, if you apply highlighter sometimes it can look very artificial. It doesn't look natural in natural light. Even sometimes it looks very fake. So I want this look, I want to make this look in such a way that it looks very natural. So it can even empathize, it can even accentuate your fine lines, or it can even accentuate the texture that you have. So I'm going to be skipping that. And for lip liner, I'm going to be using the Nykaa lip liner, Lips Don't Lie lip liner in the shade Rocker Chick, and I'm going to overline my lips as usual. For lipstick, I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown lipstick in the shade Red Berry 19 Red Berry. So this is a beautiful lip color guys. Nice dark plum wineish color, which I absolutely love, and it goes very well with the outfit that I'm wearing today. Do you see that? And this guys is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching the video guys. I hope you all like it. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also post your valuable comments, because I do love reading your comments. And yeah, I'll catch you all guys in my next interesting video. That is the 5th look in Diwali series guys. Till then, take care. Bye.